Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to talk about how you can change your name in the Crunchyroll app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, to change your name, you can simply tap open your Crunchyroll app. So once you tap open your Crunchyroll app, you will end up in its official page. So from here, simply tap on the account section to check where to change your name from. Once you tap on accounts, you can check several options if you can change your name or not. However, if you had pressed on the pencil icon, you can see that you can't change your name. However, you can change your profile. So from the drop down options, you can see that none of the options show you to change your name. This is because Crunchyroll app does not have a feature of changing your name yet, and you can only select a name or randomize it while you have made your account for the first time. So in future, you might get an option to change your name on Crunchyroll. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.